YouTube? This is your boy Richie Rich Mo back at it again with another video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you do two things: like and subscribe. We are growing every single day. Today we are about to take off the aero kit off the Lexus. We're going to take it off the rear diffuser, splitter, and canards. Going to be taking that all off. So when I get my 370Z, we will be putting the aero kit on that car. So I'm super excited. So I'm about to meet up with the homie Tyler. You guys know Tyler, he always helps me with every single thing with the car. Dude is like a genius when it comes to anything, you know what I'm saying? Especially anything with modifications, working on engines, doing anything. He built his engine, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so we're about to go over there and let's go. All right, so as you guys can see, vinyl wrap is off the car. Only thing I gotta do really is take off the aero kit of the car. I'm gonna be taking off the window decals. All this shit's gonna be getting off today. And I gotta detail the inside of the car. The car is extremely dirty. Got a vacuum down here. Man, it is so cold outside. Oh my gosh, it is freezing. But you know what we do. And I gotta get this damn fix-it ticket signed. So I'm gonna try to do all this shit today, get everything taken care of. After I get this aero kit, I gotta detail clean the inside of this car, get the car clean, and then yeah, gotta get this fix-it ticket corrected and fixed. So let's go to Tyler house right now. I'm pulling up in the house of Tyler. Tyler gonna get us demonetized in this motherfucker. Tyler, you know what I'm saying? The man come through.
When I get around to editing, check out the Dust Motorsports channel, because I have like 5 videos that are on my phone and they're like all done, but I haven't really.
You need to upload them.
I need to get them to my computer. And
you got your phone.
I got editing software that I paid for on my computer though.
Well, hell with it.
That I'm already good at using.
But for the time being,
I don't like using my phone. I already did one. I don't like using it. It's a pain in the ass.
I don't like it. It's easier.
Nah, I got 2 screens up there.
Well, I feel you. No, yeah, that's true.
I just need to figure out the best way to do the cloud, to get it from the cloud to my computer, and the file sizes and all that.
Dropbox it.
That's what I was
yeah, that's the easiest way.
And I just have to stop being lazy. So
it's being lazy. That's the main part. I mean, really, honestly.
Footage. I got so much footage already, but man. So if you guys want to see the wide body video, let me know in the comments, and maybe my lazy ass will actually edit it.
Hell yeah, VQ out
I got
here.
like 15 minutes of footage for that thing.
Oh yeah, you gotta upload it, man.
And I was vlogging Steven's shop yesterday.
Oh yeah.
So we'll see.
Oh, yeah,
but today we are taking all this shit off. We're taking this. We already took the canards off. That's one thing. If you guys are putting canards on your vehicle, it leaves holes. Unless you tape it on. But if you tape it on, it'll probably just fly off. Yeah. Because 3M tape's strong, but not that strong.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's one thing you got to deal with is the holes.
The holes.
This is not a big deal because there are holes in the bumper, but they're going up, so you can't see them.
Yeah.
So it doesn't matter. So as far as trade-in purposes go, this will be fine for all that.
Yeah.
This maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know. I did some kind of trick shit for that. But yeah.
Oh yeah,
So we're just gonna take it off. It's all it is it's screwed in with nuts and bolts into like strong parts, metal parts, things like that. And then for the plastic around, we use some really thick rivets to hold it in. So all I got to do is we're gonna jack up the car. I'm gonna get under there, drill out all the rivets, and then just undo the bolts, and then this thing will come off.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
For sure. You think this will fit on the 370?
I don't know.
Because I was thinking about doing that and then go to Downforce Solutions and have them custom build me a splitter to go under it, to stick out in the front.
Yeah, you know what you should do is what I've been wanting to do. I just haven't got around to it because I haven't found something I like. Because for 370Z, they make everything.
I seen that. They got so many kits
for my car. If I want a lip, this is what I was
gonna say. There we go. Boom.
To put a lip on my car, they don't make shit. They make like 2 lips. That's it. So I only have a couple options. I'm not really a fan of how they look either. But for Z's, they got 1,000 bumpers, 1,000 lips.
I've seen some carbon fiber ones.
Yeah. So the cool, like this is what Baker has on his Mustang. He has a lip and then a splitter. So he's got both.
Yeah, I like that.
So it looks
I like that.
a lot more aggressive. Looks a lot cooler. But whoever designs shit for G37, you need to step your fucking game up. I'm tired of this. We got like 2 bumper options, 2 splitter options. It's just
why that car?
It's been out forever. They don't make it. They make 1,000 damn bumpers for the Z's, but not for the G's.
Yeah,
maybe. I mean, this is probably a fact. At least in our areas, there's way more Z's modified than G's. There's hardly any G's.
Because they don't have no fucking G modification.
Like in Notorious, I think there's in the NorCal there's only like 4 of us. Yeah, so everyone else is a fucking Z or like there's like 2 Qs. This kind of game.
Well, I'm finally going back. I mean, not finally going back. I'm finally going the VQ side.
VQ life, yeah. We're gonna make some real horsepower now instead of this bullshit.
This motherfucker. No, hey, it's gonna be crazy because I did go on the internet with my brother.
Yeah.
For the last couple of days, bro. I seen at least 7 different companies that make body kits, like full body kits, wide body. I'm like, oh my god, oh, that Muse,
Powerhouse.
Oh my god, I seen
Powerhouse Amuse. That's what Preston had on his Z.
Oh, that's what he had.
He had the $9,000 kit.
I seen that.
$9,000 for a body kit.
I found the wing, right?
It wasn't even wide body.
I found the Nismo wing, but I found it 100% carbon fiber.
Really?
Not just the top part, the whole damn thing.
Actual carbon fiber.
I'm getting that.
What's that, like a band?
It was on sale for like $900. I'm gonna get it.
Fly One, huh?
Yeah.
Fly One. Yeah. Fly One has hella sales right now.
And now Fly One is another website, but I'm not gonna say on the internet because I don't want nobody taking it. Yes. But yeah, so all right, let me jack this car up and then I gotta get rid of this rear diffuser. I'm actually keeping that. I'm putting that shit on my car, my new car. Right.
That's because that thing's in 3 pieces.
Mm-hmm.
It can fit on.
This is what we're gonna do. Breaking news. I even seen this on YouTube. You know, on the 370Z.
Yeah.
Under the, by the muffler area, it's that little round part.
Yeah.
I see a lot of people cut
Carbon
it off,
fiber.
and then with the canard on the bottom. I mean, with the
yeah.
rear diffuser in that space where you can see the mufflers.
Yeah.
I'm doing that, but you gotta cut it.
Yep.
Is it easy? It's just that one little round part. It's like a.
It should be easy. Because I know for G's, people will cut that same area to put quad tips. Because our bumpers aren't big enough for quad tips.
Right.
So a lot of people do that. Oh, your phone's dying.
Oh,
a lot
shit.
of people will do that with G's.
We about to go crazy with this 70, man. Look, if I could get $1,000 loan, you guys, anybody want to offer, let me know. No, anyways, but I mean, I'm not serious. I'm serious as fuck. I pay you back next week. But anyways, yeah, so that's the goal. So I gotta get this done, get this car clean. This car is dirty in it. I gotta detail it. So I'm about to stop talking. Let me start lifting this up. And like I said, this rear diffuser is one of a kind. It's the only one made for me. So when I get the 370Z, I'm gonna cut the frame thing. You guys, if you know about Z's, you guys see it. And that way it have a gap of space where you can see the rear diffuser space and you can see the pipes. That's gonna be badass. But anyways, let me get this shit going. All right, so we got the splitter off and we got the rear diffuser. This comes in 3 parts. So we got that part right there. Probably gonna play around with the other one on the side of his car, see how that goes. But that part is definitely gonna be going on to the new Z. But
Going on my car for now.
yeah. Well, wait, what do you mean, sir?
It's gonna go on my car.
The sides?
Everything.
Ha!
What the fuck? That bracket might be staying there. It's being a pain in the ass.
All right. So, got the rear diffuser off, got the splitter off, and yeah. Hey, with that splitter, right?
Huh?
How will I?
You just clean it, repaint it.
In the
Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, just clean it off and you could respray
You
it.
did that fit on the 50? I mean the 70?
We might need to cut it up a little bit to make it match a little bit better, but we'll see.
Okay. So, yeah, so we got this last little bracket we try to take off the bottom of the car, and then everything is going to be taken off the car. Everything is taken off the car already.
So what fucking size that is?
So everything is officially done. Then I just got to go home, clean the car. I got to take off the last little decals off the car, and gang shit. And then we'll be done, and then get ready for the 370Z. can't wait to get it, man. So, trying to get it by this Sunday. Like I said before, if I don't get it this Sunday, the following Sunday, I have the Z. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm really ready for it. But gotta take care of this car, get this shit nice and clean, and start a new journey with the VQ. But yeah, so everything is going good, going well. Hey. Came off, and this is the last part we have to get off this old bracket. So I'm keeping all the tools for my rear diffuser, and yeah, so everything is taken off. So I just gotta go home, clean the car, empty this out, and back to back, man. But thank you guys for watching this video. This is a quick little video. We was just trying to get shit done. I didn't really want to make a real long video. Just want to get stuff taken care of, and yeah, so we'll be on our way. Gang shit. But anyways, make sure you guys smash the thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for tomorrow's video. Happy Christmas Eve to everybody. Hope you guys all have a blessed one. We are out.